Hey y'all, welcome back to Georgia Cooking for the Soul. Today I'm going to be making some baked pork chop. I'm going to show you this easy, simple way to do it. I'm just going to season it with some Lawry's season salt. Pour some in this water. Okay, I'm just going to season with some Lawry's season salt. I pulled off some water that was on it. And black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Adobo seasoning. Make sure y'all see me. Okay, and some onion powder. You're going to season it to your own taste now. You know how you like your season, how much season you want on yours, so you do it the way you want yours. Okay, this is garlic powder. And last is going to be the black pepper. I'm going to put it in the oven 400. I'm going to cover it with some foil. And about 15 minutes of cook time left. I take the foil off so the meat can kind of brown a little bit. Okay, mix it all up. And place it on my cookie sheet. Just gonna lay some foil over the top of it. Okay, y'all. Put in a 400-degree oven, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, the pork chop ready, the baked pork chop. And give it a try. It's tender. Real tender. Tastes good. I want to thank you all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And after watching this video, you like it, give me a thumbs up, okay? I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.